Here's how to update Facebook on your iPhone. Now, if you currently have the Facebook app open, let's first just close out of the app and open up the App Store here. I'm going to walk you through two different ways. One is the simple way to update it, and then the second, more robust way gives you all of the latest features, but also clears the cache and temporary files. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that you're logged in. So tap on the profile at the top, and you'll be able to see your name at the top. You should see that you're logged in. And as long as you are logged in, you can just tap on the search bar and search for Facebook on here. Now, it should show up with Facebook, and if there is an update available instead of open, it will say update. Just tap on that to get to the latest features. However, if this doesn't work for you, or if it doesn't say update on there, let's go through the second option, which is a bit better. Let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app instead. Within the Settings app, let's tap on General towards the bottom, and then iPhone Storage midway down. You'll be able to see on here, it will show you every app that is on your iPhone. Let's tap on Facebook here, and all we need to do is offload the app and reinstall it. This does two different things. One is it force updates it to the latest version, but the second thing is it clears out all the cache and temporary files, fixing any kind of bugs or glitches in the app.